What makes Gamut agents so powerful is that once they do a task for the first time and figure it out, they create a skill, so each next run is super fast and remembers exactly how to do it. In this example, I'll have the agent pull my granola notes from the last call with the company I'm meeting with tomorrow at 10 a.m., research the company, and build me a pre-call brief with talking points and open questions. Then save this whole workflow as a skill so you can do this before every sales call. Gamut will analyze and summarize that pre-call brief. Before it saves it as a reusable skill, it may ask some questions to get your preferences moving forward. Once it's complete, you'll see that the skill is both text and some Python scripts so it can run the workflow faster. If I go to the agent homepage, I can see the skill listed here, as well as those files. I can also click here to export and publish the skill, and the coolest part is you can share skills with your team, so once someone builds a skill, everyone can use it, and if they improve it, they can share the update back with everyone. So the more you use Gamut, the smarter it becomes.